This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone overheating issue while playing games. So if you are facing overheating issue while playing your games on your iPhone, just follow these simple solutions to cool down your iPhone when playing games. The first solution is turn off background app refresh. Go to settings, general, background app refresh, select off, and then check the issue. And the second solution is offload the specific gaming app that heating up your iPhone. Go to settings, general, iPhone storage, and search for the game. Offload the app. Once you offloaded the app, reinstall it from here and then check the issue. And the third solution is free up your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is almost full, it may be the reason of you are facing overheating issue while playing games. So free up your iPhone storage. Go to general, iPhone storage, and delete unwanted apps or games from here. So delete or offload those apps, and then you can also delete useless photos and videos from your Photos app to free up your storage. Then check the issue. And the last and final solution is reset all settings. Go to settings, general, transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, hope this solution will fix your iPhone overheating issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.